A is to draw a segment. So if you draw a line or a segment that wasn't there to begin with, this is based on postulate 1. You have to accept that there exists a line. And B says if A equals B and C equals B, then A equals C. You have two things, A and C, that are equal to the same thing, B, therefore they're equal to each other. That's an example of common notion 1. Two things equal to the same thing are equal to one another. C, extension to form a line. So if you had a segment like from A and you extended it in each side to form an actual line, that's an example of postulate 2, which is extension of a line. D states that if x is equal to y, then x minus 8 is equivalent to y minus 8. Okay, all you really did there was you substituted in this x for its equivalent y. So that's an example of substitution, which is common notion 3. In this example, if we start with x is equal to y, the only difference, we removed the same value from each side. So this is an example of common notion 3, which is removing equals from equals. The remainders are equal. And finally, the last example, if x is equal to y, then x plus 8 is equal to y plus 8. So here, instead, again, we start with x is equal to y, and we add 8 to one side, and we balance that out by adding the same value to the other side. That's the example, an example of common notion 2, which is if equals are added to equals, then the sums are equal. So again, these are all the names in terms of the postulates and common notions, the more historical names for them.